It started in 2017. I've been selected together with some colleagues from different projects funded by IFAD in Mozambique and also in Brazil to attend the seminar in Maputo that was organized by CTA to expose us to this methodology and also to train us on how to write the articles. So there was 2 sessions which took place in Maputo. Each took almost 5 days. And the first one was just meant to introduce us to this methodology, and the second was meant only for us to write the articles. So after these 2 sessions, we went back to our projects and our locations. For example, myself, I went back to my unit, which is based in the north of Mozambique, where I'm working as an agribusiness officer and also as a project unit coordinator. We are working with some partners who are service providers who have been contracted by the government to implement different activities of this program in the north. We are covering there 4 districts in 2 provinces. So when I went back, I sit with my colleagues and implementing partners, and I introduced them the EC methodology as a replication of what I've learned in these 2 workshops that was conducted by CTA in Maputo. During this period, the program was what can I say? The program was extended. The program was extended due to new funding that IFAD was putting in this program. So because of this expansion, we had to replan the activities. So during these planning sessions, I discussed it with my colleagues and my coordinator, the national coordinator, to see how we can also include the capitalization of experience in this new planning process. So this was discussed and accepted. And once the plan was approved, we went back to our implementation areas, and also there I discussed with the implementing partners to implement or to conduct some experience capitalization process involving the beneficiaries. So the first step was to identify some exchange visit that we implemented before, taking the lessons from this exchange visit and to start the capitalization process. So we did 2 processes. One involved 2 farmer organizations, and that one group visited another group which are part of from the production activities. They are also doing fish farming. So the visiting farm organization adopted these fish farming activities. So on the way back, they made a plan, they document what they saw in the other association, and they started doing the farm fishing. And the second group, they were traders, individual traders, that they went to visit the Traders Association. So these individual traders, they were facing some challenge on their marketing, how to marketing the commodities in their district. So when they visit this farm association in the Milange district in the Zambezia province, they saw that being organized in a group, they could better interact with the farmers when they are going to buy, and also with big traders or big companies who are coming to buy from the local farmers. So we also documented this experience, and from the lessons, we have established 4 associations of rural traders. So this association now, they are working, with the support of the government, because also the government was part of this experience. We involved the government to make part of this process. So from these two experiences, we think that we will continue, because we are now observing many changes in the program. You see now there are traders who are working together. We have farmers now who are now diversifying their activities. Apart from doing just crop production, they are also doing fish farming. So we think that this approach of capitalizing lessons from the exchange visit, I think we will continue with these activities in the future. Yes.